Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix DHgate app network error. So if you're currently facing that exact same thing and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually there is two steps to be able to fix this problem. The first step is going to be for you to actually open up your settings app on your phone. So just go into your settings app and then you're going to scroll down in here and you're going to click on general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, scroll down a little bit and click on storage in here, and then just wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps that you currently have on your phone. Then scroll all the way up in here and click on the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, search for DHgate and click on it, then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait and then click on the reinstall app button. Just wait for your DHgate app to completely update to the latest version. For some of you, this will straight away fix this problem because network error might be a bug that if you don't have the latest version, for example, for DHgate app, if you just have like an old version of the app, you need to update it to be able to make sure that you are going to fix all the bugs on the app, which you are going to do. You're going to like force the app to update by doing what I just showed you step by step. The other thing you can try to do to fix this is to just swipe like this, swipe like this on your phone, and then you're going to quickly enable your airplane mode and then quickly disable it afterwards. The reason why you need to do this is because this can actually give you a little bit stronger signal to if you're using mobile data or Wi-Fi, for example. It's going to reconnect, and it might give you in the initial stage, it might give you a little bit better signal, just so you know. It's not always like this, but quite often you will get a little bit better signal, and then you can get back into your DHgate app and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you.